Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the SSD model and firmware so you know supported fixes and tools. Once you have backups verified, run Smart and the manufacturer's diagnostic utility to gather error logs and wear-level data. This tells you whether the issue is logical or hardware. Make sure to note controller and NAND type. They affect recovery options. If diagnostics report reallocated sectors or failing Smart attributes, proceed to secure erase or controlled cloning as the first actionable repair steps. Once diagnostics guide you, try a vendor secure erase or firmware update to fix corruption. These can restore indexed areas and remap bad blocks. If firmware update fails or Smart shows hardware failure, clone the drive sector by sector to a healthy SSD to preserve recoverable data. Use read-only tools for recovery on the clone, then repair file system metadata if needed. Make sure to disable trim on the failing drive during cloning to prevent data loss, and verify recovered files before proceeding. You finish by restoring the OS or migrating the verified image to the repaired or replacement SSD, then confirm boot times and sustain throughput with benchmarks. Once satisfied, sanitize or return the defective SSD under RMA and follow secure erase for data privacy. If boot failures or slow I/O continue, check the host interface. Test different cables, ports, adapters, and power rails because controllers can be mistaken for drive faults. If that still fails, contact vendor support with your diagnostic logs and test results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.